Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready. Open Chrome on your iPhone and check you're on the main tab bar. Once done, tap the three dots at the bottom right to access settings. This gets you directly into account controls. Make sure Chrome isn't restricted by screen time, then tap your profile avatar at the top of settings to view current accounts. You start the switch here because Chrome ties browsing data to that profile. Beginning in settings reduces mistakes and speeds up the next steps. Now add or switch the account. Tap Add Account, choose Google, then sign in with the new email and password. You may need two-factor verification, so have your device handy. After signing in, Chrome prompts to turn on Sync. Decide which items to sync, because Sync merges bookmarks and history. Once Sync is set, tap your profile avatar and select the new account to make it active. This finalizes which profile Chrome uses for searches, autofill, and saved passwords. Complete the change by verifying autofill and passwords. Visit Chrome//settings/passwords to confirm credentials synced correctly. If you want to remove an old profile, go to Settings, Manage Accounts, and delete it. This prevents accidental switching. If sign in or sync stalls, clear Chrome cache or force close and reopen the app, then retry. Key troubleshooting tip: if two-factor blocks you, use backup codes or Google account recovery on
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.